Ooh, Sherwin, you missed something. That means
The mirror flatters you more than your bathroom at home.
you trust the mirror one. Is it?
Hey, you must buy the mirror leh. Hi everybody, welcome to another new season of Now You Know. Today we have Jade, who's gonna present a topic on
Safety tips during your travel. These are basic safety tips for you to take note. So the first thing to know is what to check in the place where you're staying. The first basic check we want to do is to check that all lights are functioning. Do check that everything is working. Make sure the toilet flush and the shower is working properly. Why is this check essential? Is because when the staff inspects the room before you check out, any existing damage or faulty items could be attributed to you if they are not identified beforehand. Sometimes, some people, before they use the facilities in the hotel room, they go to the extreme whereby they take photos and videos of the room so that they don't get blamed for any damages that are not caused by them. Once you put down and unload your luggage before you head out, do take a photo of how your luggage looks like. Just in case anybody comes in to clean the room, they may touch your luggage. You never know. So, safety check. When it comes to safety check, of course, we always be mindful of hidden cameras. Some common spots are at the TV, shelves, mirrors especially. So, the thing is, if you're scared there's hidden cameras, just turn off the lights. Use your phone flashlights to spot for any reflections of the lenses. Power outlet is also another common spot. Just look for any odd chargers, USB hubs, or other unfamiliar devices. If you spot something suspicious, do not remove the device from the area. Instead, take photos and videos. Then, you go and report to the staff. Do not immediately report to the staff when you have not taken the photos. Because sometimes they may quickly destroy or remove the evidence and claim you see something wrong. So, always take photos and videos of the suspicious area first. Then, report to the staff. If the staff takes no action and you want some proper actions to be taken, you may call the police if you want. Majority request to change the room. That's all. Now, mirror check. Many residential places use standard or agreed two-way mirror. The one we must definitely avoid is the glass two-way mirror, which is the image on the extreme right. Usually, bad guys like to put the spy cams between the mirror frame and the wall. Because of the small gap, it is enough room for the small spy cam to be inserted in. That's how they see what you're doing in the room. So, usually a lot of regular travelers, when they enter the room, the first thing they are mindful of is where the mirror is facing. If the mirror is facing opposite the bed, the travelers would want to check out. They will want to change the room, because it is just not safe. You do not know whether there is a hidden camera at the mirror there or not. So that's something we need to take note. If you do the fingernail test and there's no gap, that means it is a two-way mirror. If there's a gap like you see in the images on the left and middle, then it is safe. So next one. When you go out, watch out for pickpockets. These are all the basic stuff which you all can read from here. It already states the function and features of each bag. Some people do not practice this, but if you're sitting at a cafe and you want to put down your bag, it is best that you loop your bag strap around the chair leg at the very least, just to prevent anyone kick and take the bag in seconds. If you really want to carry your backpack behind and not in front of your body, make sure the bag is slash resistant. The pickpockets are very skilled. They will just use a sharp knife to cut the base of your bag. Once things fall off, they grab whatever they want and run off. That's it. Alright, time for quiz. First question.
Wow, who on the three would get it wrong?
Hey, come on, guys.
Oh, everything should be
should be
checked.
correct lah, right?
Okay, yeah, it should be correct. Everything should be checked.
Next question.
Ooh, Sherwin, you missed something. That means
The mirror flatters you more than your bathroom at home.
you trust the mirror one. Is it?
Hey, you must buy the mirror leh. For
Sherwin,
your
you trust
home.
the mirror one, is it? You
Dabao
got
the
tricked.
mirror home.
Oh my god. I was expecting everybody to get it right at the first two questions, you honestly
Oh
speaking.
my gosh. I think our comprehension is not that good.
So you are the one who get it all wrong, is it so far?
Saw the keyword they click already.
Oh my
But just
god.
put it in a very the answer in a
Yeah.
not
you
the usual
cannot-
way lah. Yeah,
Yeah,
very
usually
poetic.
I
and
don't
that
like I don't like to just straight away show the keyword. I need to phrase it, so you have to read carefully.
Next.
Yeah.
we did it, PXS.
Finally. Oh my god.
Next question.
Under the bed is not the common spot. Because they can to see nothing ma under the bed. Right?
See your feet lah, spy
Who-
on your
who put
ankles.
behind the
Yeah,
feet?
feet is a market also.
No, the question is
Don't
who
cut that
never
in.
answer. There's only
Huh?
six. There's only six. Who's the seventh person that never answered?
Yeah,
Oh.
exactly.
Oh yeah, who never
Somebody
answer?
must be honest, if you didn't answer. Okay.
Mine correct lah, so I answered lah.
I
don't
you
know
have
who.
to show your phone to prove it.
Next.
Tell your mother.
Yes, he
Call
said
your mother,
easy
ask
one.
your
But
mother
who is
come.
the two? Get it wrong. Okay.
Document everything like a low budget detective.
She just said that you all should document, but I still pick that.
Document
What
take
should you
picture or
not
video
do?
mah.
The keyword is not do. Okay, not do. I think some people miss it.
I agree with Sean lah.
Oh.
Sean, so how your comprehension not good lah, Sean?
Confirm should
Hey,
we
I
okay,
like,
agree
to be
with
fair,
you.
hey, guys,
Hey,
to be fair,
correct, correct.
This is my first one wrong, okay? I always do that.
Next.
Choose wrong.
Oh, only two got
Hey.
right. Wow.
Oh, okay.
You didn't respond in time. Oh man, I missed one.
Yeah. So anyway, it should
Analyze
be,
too much.
you need to off the light. You need to off the light in the hotel room, and then turn on the flashlight. It's
Then
not
it
like
will
using
shine, right?
your mobile
Yeah.
camera or whatever. Yeah. Okay, that's the tricky part.
Next.
I think I might have answered this a bit too quickly. Okay. I'm
Okay,
fine, I'm fine.
who really put
I'm fine.
under a goal? I mean, depend okay lah. I mean, when we talk about crossbody bag, is those kind of big bulky bag, okay, or backpack. So it's definitely in front of the body. If it's something a bag that is super small, yes, I can try to tuck under the coat.
Yeah, so that one
Sorry.
0.5 can get.
Okay, cannot. This one is a normal size. You don't ask for 0.5. What you think exam or what? Give a thick and then a cross, small cross.
Yeah, negotiate with your lecturer.
You wait long.
Next.
I think item 2 is the best option. Okay.
Okay.
I explain it's because it's a slash resistance bag. I think this particular brand is from Samsonite. Okay. Yeah, a lot of like I think those tour guides or whoever travel a lot, right? They actually recommend this bag. The rest of the bag, okay, especially I think number 3 is the tote bag, is the least recommended one because it's very big. It's very easy to just grab any stuff from the bag.
Grab and go.
Okay. Yeah. Item 4 is a normal backpack because it's not slash resistance. Anytime you just use a pocket knife that even I have, right? Just cut the base and then everything drop. I can just grab all the stuff I want and run off. So for the item 1, it really depends what kind of like safety proof the bag is. Okay. Let's say if it's just a normal zip, then and then just cover it up like that, it's not that safe.
Next.
Give
I
it
hope
to the
everybody got it
waiter
right.
lah. Give it to the waiter. Let them take care of your bag.
Yay!
Yay! PXS,
Everybody
we
got it
did it
right.
again,
Okay, so
PXS.
far all the questions, like only 2 questions, everybody got it right.
Well done,
Hey,
people.
don't
You are
call us out like
listening
that.
for
2
this one.
out of 10.
Last question.
Yay! Everybody get
Hey.
it right. Okay, 3 out of 10. That's the ability of Pixel.
Well done, people.
hey.
Yeah! So who's the winner? What
Oh.
Steven is the
Hey.
winner.
Oh, Shuyin now. Well done. Woo.
Oh, Steve.
Steven now.
Hail to the king.
Steven,
baby.
you're good.
Hey, well done,
Must be
Steven.
your headset lah, that one.
Wow, yeah lah.
Got answer ah.
The
Got
PVR
answer.
headset lah. Wow, 6,385 points there. Thank you so
Yes.
much for participating.
Okay, thanks everyone for participating, and for you viewers, hope you get some good tips when traveling, what to do and what to check when you go for traveling for to be safe and to enjoy your traveling while you're at it. So see you again next week. Take care. Bye bye everyone.